Steel mills operate in some of the most extreme industrial conditions on the planet. Blazing temperatures, flying slag, high decibel machinery, heavy cranes, and complex, volatile systems running 24/7. In these environments, safety can't rely on chance or outdated warning lights. Molten metal, combustible gases, high voltage equipment, these are not just operational features, they're daily hazards. And managing them demands signaling systems designed for environments that would normally punish standard equipment. The limits of traditional equipment. Many facilities still rely on legacy lighting, incandescent fixtures or metal halide beacons that weren't built for this level of abuse. The result? Fixtures fail, visibility drops, downtime increases. And in an emergency, the last thing you want is a warning light that's burned out or muffled. That's why modern steel plants are moving toward high temperature rated strobes, rugged visual indicators, and modular alarm systems, engineered for heat, vibration, and visibility through smoke or haze. Furnace safety, keeping teams informed and protected. In gas-fired furnaces, flame-out alarms aren't just helpful, they're required to prevent dangerous gas buildup. In electric furnaces, high-voltage circuits demand clear, lockout-ready signaling. Devices like the Model 1000-120 power alarm provide loud, unmistakable tones even through 100+ decibel environments, helping maintenance crews prevent accidental energizing of circuits during work. Molten metal zones, signals that withstand the heat. Near pour decks and mold stations, traditional lighting doesn't last. Heat, debris, slag, it takes a toll. That's where the 3000 series power strobe comes in. With a tempered glass dome option, it resists thermal shock and physical impact, making it ideal for bucket handling zones, transport lines, and lift stations. And for plants using 250 VDC systems, Tomar's Model 3000 RML and the 1100-250 power alarm offer compatibility without the need for retrofit converters. Automation and process signaling. As steel production becomes more automated, real-time alerts become even more critical. Sensor-triggered alarms, conveyor speed warnings, crane movement signals. Compact modular systems like the microstack, microstrobe, and micro-LED help connect these alerts directly to the plant's PLCs, providing visual feedback on process variables like pressure, temperature, or load status, and helping teams act faster when something goes off spec. Hazardous storage and tunnel zones. In areas like coke battery corridors, gas injection stations, or chemical washdown tunnels, the environment is classified and the risk is real. Explosion-proof, division-rated signaling is required here. That's where rugged devices like Tomar's CID-1 and CID-2 rated alarms and strobes provide compliance-ready coverage, helping identify gas leaks, oxygen faults, or chemical spills where visibility is low and response time is critical. Designed for steel, built to last. In a facility where ambient temps regularly exceed 60 degrees Celsius, and every signal competes with ambient noise and flashing machinery, the signal-to-worker connection must be engineered, not improvised. That's why plants turn to the 3000 series strobes for critical heat zones, micro-LEDs and microstacks for local control room alerts, explosion-proof sirens for tunnel spaces and gas zones, and high-temperature LED luminaires to reduce fixture failure. Every product serves a purpose, and every alert has to reach the right eyes or ears on time, every time. Steel production doesn't slow down for complexity, but it doesn't compromise on safety either. If you're modernizing infrastructure, automating systems, or just making your plant safer to work in, the signaling strategies and tools to do that well already exist. So if you'd like to learn more, reach out to us directly, or you can visit us at industrial.tomar.com. Thanks for watching.